Hi. Good job, Graham. Really working those fingers. Kitty. Oh, don't lean too far. Don't lean too far. Look at you, Graham. Standing up all by yourself. With a little help from your car. Good job, buddy. Good job. Alice, where are you going? Alice and the kitty are hanging out. Hi, Kit. Hi, Al. What are you getting into over there? Uh-oh, we better get back to Graham. He might fall. Hi, you're doing a good job, buddy. Look at those good, steady feet. Hi. Hi. You just want to walk, don't you? You want to walk so bad. Uh-oh. Better turn this off.